Alright guys, I'm about to start assembling. Got it all cleaned up now. All them extra parts. We're getting everything situated in here. That's all our new bolt pins and stuff for the new shop. Our mains cleaned up. We're gonna put it back together, and we had to get the crank redone, so we're gonna check it and make sure they did a good job. If you don't know what this is, it's plastic gauge, and pretty much what you do is put the bearings in and dry fit it. Watch it smush right here. When you pull the cap back off, you measure how much it smushed, and it'll tell you how many thousandths it is. So I'll show you all that too. But got parts getting clean. It's a little bit of a mess in here because somebody else started tearing it down, and we got a bunch of parts tore down. All of this for this. So that's the motor that came out. He had 6 broken manifold bolts. So that was the one with the spun bearing in it. And this is the one we're building. There's a new crank, new head, in-frame kit, oil pump right there, water pump right there. Now let's get it started. So we got an overhead crane. Well, it's not really a crane, but it's a little hoist. Them chains, so we'll be picking the crank up with it and setting in there evenly. Alright. Let's get these bearings put in. Guys, also the uppers always have the hole in it. Set the crank. Alright. Crank's in. I forgot to hit start whenever I was putting it in, but that thing right there worked freaking wonders. The crank's in. It's sleeved up on the bottom. So let's get these caps and check them out. Alright, you can't really see them, but we got them on all of them. So let's put the caps on. Alright, they're all back up. I'm gonna pop them loose and see what they're reading. Got them all loose. All right, so they're back off. And this one's reading 0.002. 0.003. 0.003. 0.003. So all of them are 0.003, and the center one's 0.002. They're all good to go. Got some bolts in here. I had to go find them because I didn't take them off, but we found them. Oh my gosh, this is smooth as butter. I probably could have just did it by hand. Spinning good. That's what we want. Nothing scrubbing. I have to rotate this thing over. It's good to go. Well, the main part's done. The crank's in. Let's go from there. Rotator, but it ain't ready yet. We're getting the back plate for it, so we're gonna use the chains and flip it over.
I got mine now.
Back underneath it.
Your roller's gonna be on the wood. I don't know, maybe not. Here I come. Oh, you putting that like your down on me. How much you think that weighs? About 800 pounds, probably? Hey, I think we moved the damn pallet too far. I think we moved the pallet too far. Easy. You got it there, Papa? Might need to take the towel a little bit more. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, come on. All right. Oh my God. Now I need to wait until it comes my way for sure. Here it comes, ready? Give it, don't get down there, I don't want to hurt you.
shortcut.
Okay. That's this way. I got it now, Joe. We can do this all day. Oh my God.
Alright, can do.
Uh-oh, I'm swung over. Oh, did I get it right?
Yep, come on.
Well, that's showing the head in. Are we taking off?
Yep.
Alright. You got the line down here? You got to put the window over. I'm riding there. You ain't got to be my phone.
I might.
Well, you're not ready to 405.
What time is it?
I'd say it's 4:45.
Alright, is it really?
What do you say?
Is it really?
I think so. Better stop.
I was trying to make it where I could put my rear structure and front structure on.
Well, I think you got it that way.
Yep. Alright, thanks, Peter.
All right, I ain't going
We got it all set up, guys. It's all cold.
Are you getting paid overtime for this? No? That's dedication. For sure. She knows how to work on a hammer though. Tell you what. What are you laughing at? Who? Who?
What? You're on camera now.
On what camera? Oh, you're videoing. Are you lying?
No.
You're gonna have to edit that, please.
Alright, they're all in. Katelyn precision in the morning.
Yes, it looks good.
Going back pretty good.